Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, hi, I am Grace and you are warmly welcome. I believe by the special grace of God, you all are doing amazingly good and keeping safe. Massive thanks to all my subscribers. I am very grateful for your support towards this channel. And to those who are not yet subscribers but keep watching my videos, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. This way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you for subscribing and for supporting. God richly bless you all. Over the weekend, I made some donuts, baked donuts, 800 pieces of baked donuts for a customer. And I thought I would share the recipe with you. Before we begin, I will introduce our ingredients to you and we'll do this together. So I'm using self-raising flour, butter, salt, evaporated milk, castor sugar. You can also use granulated sugar, nutmeg, vanilla extract, baking powder, not soda, baking powder, and eggs. So into my bowl, I will go in with 754 grams of the flour. Put this aside in a separate bowl. I'll go in with my butter, and that is also going to be 750 grams, followed by my sugar. I am using 100 grams of sugar because this is for party, and so you don't want to use a lot of sugar. Remember, it isn't everyone that's likes sugar. So if I am making the donuts for myself, I use 150 grams of sugar for 750 grams of flour. So I'll sift my flour and then go in with my baking powder, salt, and grated nutmeg. Hello, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please follow the simple steps to subscribe. Click on the bottom, the icon that says subscribe, and click on the bell icon, select all. This means that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so now I'll start to combine the flour, the baking powder, and salt. Next, I'll go in with my sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, butter. So if you are using granulated sugar, you will have to cream the butter and the sugar before going in with the remaining ingredients. All right, so next, I will use my hand mixer to mix this. All right, so it is well combined, and at this point I will scrape the edges in and then go in with evaporated milk. So I started with 3 tablespoons and it wasn't enough. I did not get the consistency that I was going for, and so I added in another 3 more tablespoons. So in total I used 6 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Hello, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon and select all. This way, every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you for subscribing. All right, so the first batch is ready, and so I'll transfer those into a clean bowl, set it aside, and cream or mix the second batch. Remember, I am using 4 packs of self-raising flour, and because I'm using hand mixer, I can mix everything at a go, and so I did this in small batches to be easy for my hand mixer. Yes, I don't want to overwork or abuse my hand mixer. So that's the first batch. I did the second one, but I did not record, but it's the same process. And I went in with that. I poured that into the bowl. I did the third batch and poured that. And the final one, I add a little twist to the final one. So I added vanilla sugar and orange zest to the final one, the last batch, for it to get a very unique taste from the other 3. And that is it right there. And it's about time to start baking. Right, so to begin, I will plug in my donuts maker and leave it to heat up for like a minute, and then I'll start scooping my butter into the mold or the donut maker. So I'm using spoon. So I'm using 2 spoons, one for scooping and then the other one for pushing it in, just as I'm doing in the video. Hello, kings and queens. Are you new to my channel? You are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell and select all. This way, every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Thank you for subscribing and for supporting my channel. God richly bless you. So I'm done filling the first donut maker, and I'm now filling the second donut maker. So it doesn't take long for the donuts to be ready. I think in about a minute or 2, the donuts will be ready. So by the time I'll finish filling the other 2 donut makers, the first one that I did would be ready. Okay, so yeah, I opened to check and it wasn't ready, and so I cover it and then left it for another minute. And here you are, our donuts is ready. Look at this, very, very nice, beautiful. And the aroma in the kitchen right now, it smells heavenly here. Yes, so I will use a skewer to pick it out from the donut maker. So after picking it out, I always make sure that I clean the crumbs before putting in or filling the maker again. Hello, kings and queens. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell and select all. This way, every time I upload a video, you will get notified. So this is the second method or the second way of filling your donut maker. So you scoop the butter into a piping bag. I am using sandwich bag here because I've run out of piping bag. And so yes, after scooping it in, filling your piping bag with the butter, you cut the end and then just apply a little bit of pressure, like you just squeeze it, and the butter will come down straight into the mold. I prefer using the spoons because that works faster for me than to use the piping bag. And here you are, our donut is ready. As usual, I'm using my skewer to pick them out from the donut maker. And yes, I'll repeat the same process until I finish baking everything. And kings and queens, that's it for today's video. If you've stuck with me till this far, I am very grateful. You have done amazingly well. But please, if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Okay, kings and queens, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for subscribing, for sharing, and for watching. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger-licking, something mouth-watering, stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and always remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst time and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.